Dokter dulu. Sebentar lagi dia akan kembali. Oh, really? Ya, lihat ini. Howard Carrier.
Oh, it's really nice. Great.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
ya.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ah, sudah selesai. Thank you, bro. Oh, Dokter dulu. The bulletin is coming. Wow.
Wow, this is going to be amazing. Everyone, let's prepare everything. We need to make sure that we are ready here at Pacha Maya. Hey, what you doing there? That is the parikai. Ini namanya burung elang paria yang biasa ditemukan di benua Asia, Australia, dan juga Afrika.
Kenapa dipindahin?
Oh, Swastiastu.
Saya ketendangan.
Thank you for welcoming.
My name is Dr. Bin.
Hello, Dr. Dulat. You don't need to bow. I'm Dewa Abu.
Oh, okay. What is that?
Push.
Hello. That's my lovely bird. This is a Moluccan cockatoo. His name is Saka. He is a normal-sized bird that can reach up until 52 centimeters only.
Ooh.
They can be found in a Seram Island from is a musang.
Oh, the musang or the mas pangsigat. It's a small mammal found in Southeast Asia. They are omnivores.
tuh.
And
Tuh.
And they
Berdiri,
have a
Pak.
scent gland that emits a full smell as a deterrent to predators.
Tuh.
Oh, what about that blue thing, Mikey? Oh, the crown pigeon or Daramantula. It is large native to New Guinea. This is the largest pigeon species in the world, compared to a body size of a turkey. Wow, look
Kayak
at
burung
them.
punya Baba.
They're adorable.
Iya.
Mikey, kita bersama-sama. Are you ready? Oh. Are you ready? Yeah. Welcome to Pantananya. Wow. Thank you.
Duncan, my brother.
Look, those are Sunda porcupines, a member of the rodent family and found in Indonesia. And look at them, they are covered in spikes, which they use as protection.
Wow. Oh, so cute. Oh, quality. Oh.
Hi.
That is so cute, my brother.
Yeah.
Oh, Mikey, I heard that you brought anything else, right?
Oh, of course, Dr. Dulas. I have brought with me some beautiful birds from the islands of Bali to show all of you. Would you like to see them?
Yeah.
Would you like to see them? That's great. Our beautiful lorikeets.
Lorikeet.
Wow.
Alright, hey. Everyone, this is our beautiful lorikeet. I want to hear a little bit about that. Lorikeets are very special tongue that comes the flat on the neck from the snout. They have most
Kenapa burungnya tadi? Burungnya ngapain?
That's pollution.
Mana? Tahu. Tuh. Tuh ke bawah.
Iya, Papa.
Nggak apa-apa, udah di sini aja, udah nggak panas.
Wow, here it comes. The Rhinoceros Hornbill. Hornbill.
Iya.
Tadi, Bang.
Iya.
This is the Rhinoceros Hornbill. This hornbill is a species of large bird known for its curved beak and their unique cast on top. Hornbill atau rangkong adalah spesies burung besar yang dikenal dengan paruh melengkungnya yang khas serta struktur unik di atasnya yang disebut dengan culang.
Oh everyone, we know that hornbill can live up to 4 years in the wild, making them one of the longest living bird species in the world. Hornbill atau rangkong bisa mencapai usia 40 tahun di alam liar.
Asik nggak?
Membuatnya menjadi salah satu burung dengan usia
Yam.
terpanjang di dunia.
Mayam. Asik nggak?
Oh Mikey, can I
Gini.
see more?
Yes, Dr. Delon. We are proud to share that we also have a hornbill that was born and raised here.
Oh, please show us. Where? Oh, back there.
Wow. That is the red hornbill. They are birds that born and raised at Bali Safari. His name is Tegar and Tigor, and we are so proud of them.
Jadi kedua burung hornbill ini namanya Tegar dan Tigor. Mereka ini bersaudara dan juga lahir di Bali Safari. Wow. Thank you so much, Mikey, for the journey, and also my leader. So everyone, we must
Loncat-loncat.
protect our environment and the precious creatures that inhabit it. And your visit today support our local and international conservation efforts. Together, we can make a difference for the animals, as mighty as a tiger and as beautiful as the hornbill. Well, thank you so much for visiting us today, and we hope to see you again soon.
Let's all do our part to conserve the nature.
We will be happy to have you get here. And